Hi guys, just had a question on this car, or at least this is the chassis. I had a different body shell on it. The gearbox was making a horrible noise. And I had put a 3D printed pinion gear in there. At the moment, it's not making that noise. It stuttered a bit then, didn't it? It's probably not causing a problem because it's got no load on it. Seems to be alright today, which is always the way when you want to demonstrate something, isn't it? Let's have a look, see how that 3D gear got on. Have I got to take it all apart to get it apart? Is there a quick way? I do believe I've got to take it all apart just to get to that gearbox. What a pain. Right. I do believe I've got that camera angle right so you can actually see what's going on. That makes a change. I've noticed lately I seem to forget that I'm on camera and I drag what I'm working on off to one side, and then when I go and look at the video you can't see what I was up to. Right, well, the only thing I would say, the gear isn't stripped or anything, but it's not as deep. The actual teeth are not as deep as the teeth on there, so I would imagine this is stepping over the top because it's not digging in properly. And that's probably the noise we could hear, that this is actually slipping over that gear when I'm slamming it from forwards to reverse. So that's not going in as far as it should do. And I think that's allowing it to slip over the top. But I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't seem to go in as far as it should do. And this isn't perfect anyway. Right, not sure if you can see the difference. The yellow one was the first attempt, and the orange one is the latest attempt at printing the pinion gear. So you should be able to see the difference in the shape of the teeth. I've got a sharper angle on those teeth now, on the orange one, because I think the yellow one, it was allowing the gears to go out of mesh. They were able to sort of skip over the top rather than dig in. So we'll see if the orange one's any better. Right, I've just given it a little run on the grass. It runs. It's still making a bit of a clicking noise, so I expect we still haven't got the right mesh on the gear, but it does seem to run. Might run the battery down now actually. That seems to be going slow. Oh no. Oh dear. What's happened now? Well, that gear's obviously gone loose on me. I suppose I could always glue it onto the shaft. Yeah. Okay, we're not having a lot of luck with these 3D printed gears. But as I said on the previous episode where I did the gear for this one, if I hadn't 3D printed it, we wouldn't have been running it at all. So it is running, but now it seems to be, I don't know if I actually said it in this video, but that orange PLA that I've got seems to be slightly brittle, so I don't think it's gripping us well on the shaft. Yeah. Okay, well, one step forward and possibly one step back. Pop a little bit of super glue on the end there. Push that on. It's down on range because I haven't put the proper aerial back on. We're just running on that tiny bit. Oh dear. So after all that effort, we're still getting that horrible noise out the gearbox. I reckon that's got a thermal cutout or something. Yeah. I reckon that's why that's stopping. That and the short range. Yeah, that's stopping. I reckon that's thermal cutout of some sort. Let it cool down and it starts again. So, which of those bits is the thermal? Nothing I can see. That'll do. So, we're still getting that funny noise. You may have noticed it in the grass. Something is not mashing properly. But it doesn't appear to be that gear. I think that's enough for tonight. Might have another look another day. Working on this little car is never ending. I've just fixed the aerial and the gears have gone again. So it ran all right for a session with the gear glued in place, but it's obviously come loose again. I wonder if it's the motor is loose and it's actually allowing it to move out of alignment. I don't think so, I think it's the gears. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.